guys, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm so excited. I'm finally filming an updated skincare routine. I just checked and the last time I posted one of these was May of 2019. So it's basically been a year. Obviously, I'm always showing you guys skincare that I'm using in my vlogs and stuff, but it's just nice to post these like official skincare routines every once in a while so you guys can see every single product that I use and like how I use it, why I like it. This video is probably going to be pretty long because I like to be really thorough in these videos. Also, this video is not sponsored at all, so all the products that I'm showing you guys today are like my ride or die products. Obviously, it's like part of my job to try out a bunch of different skincare products to share with you guys and like see what's the best. Sometimes I will switch out other products to try out, but these are like my core routine products that I use on a regular basis. I always find myself going back to these, and yeah, they just work so well for my skin. I think basically my entire routine has changed since the last time I filmed one of these, except for maybe like one or two products that have stayed the same. I've really been learning a lot about skincare over the past few months and researching the ingredients that are in my skincare. I've been watching a lot of Hiram's videos. I highly recommend his videos if you guys want to learn more about skincare and ingredients and stuff. They're amazing. He's so informative and I've learned so much from his videos. So a lot of the products that I use now are his recommendations, but I've basically over the last several months have been slowly phasing out products that have either added fragrance or bad alcohols. You guys might remember I used to be obsessed with Truth Serum and the Dr. Dennis Gross peel pads, but Truth Serum has so much added fragrance and the peel pads have so much alcohol. Even though those products worked really well for me, like in the moment, I just feel like it's better for my skin in the long run to cut out products that have those types of ingredients. So pretty much everything in my routine now is fragrance free, or at least has like a very small amount of fragrance and has either no alcohol or only like good alcohols. Yeah, also I am not wearing any makeup because I wanted you guys to really see my skin for what it is, since this is a skincare routine video. I do just have my eyebrows filled in just a little bit, but besides that, I'm not wearing any makeup. So I did just get one little pimple that broke out this morning right before I filmed this video on my nose, but other than that, I just have a little bit of like scarring on my forehead because I used to break out really bad there. And I also get like some texture on my cheeks, but I feel like the exfoliating products that I've been using have really been helping with that. But yeah, here's a close-up of my skin. There's just a lot of freckles from the sun. If I had to define my skin type right now, it's pretty much just normal. I feel like my skin type always changes. Like in high school, my skin used to be so oily, and then throughout college, it got like really dry, like insanely dry. And then lately, I feel like it's just been like somewhere in the middle, maybe slightly on the dry side, but for the most part, it's just like normal. And when I do break out, it's usually like hormonal breakouts, like during that time of the month. So yeah, that's just like a little bit about my skin type. Obviously, everyone's skin is so different, so what works for me might not work for you, but I will link all the products that I talk about in today's video down below if you do decide to check them out for yourselves. And I think that's all I have to say. This is a really long intro, but let's go ahead and get into my official skincare routine. Okay, so I'm gonna break it up into my morning and my nighttime skincare routine. So starting with morning, these are the products that I use first thing when I wake up. I like to keep my morning routine really short and simple, and then at night I use like more products. So the first thing that I use in the morning is my cleanser. This is the First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Face Cleanser. I talked about First Aid Beauty in my last favorites video. There's a lot of products from them that I've been using in my routine. So I really like this cleanser just because it's really simple. It's fragrance free and it really just does what I need it to do. I'm honestly not that picky when it comes to cleansers. As long as it leaves my skin feeling clean and doesn't like strip my skin too much and doesn't make it feel too dry, then I like it. Yeah, I don't have that much to say about this just because, like I said, I'm not super picky with cleansers, but I really like this one. After I wash my face, I go in with my daytime serum. This is the Peter Thomas Roth Potency Power Serum. I've been using a vitamin C serum for so long, like ever since I started getting into skincare in like high school. And like I said, I used to be obsessed with Truth Serum. That one has so much added fragrance to it. So it's actually pretty hard to find vitamin C serums that don't have added fragrance. I like the Drunk Elephant one. I have tried that one, but when it comes to vitamin C, it can smell really bad when it doesn't have added fragrance to it, just because like the ingredient of vitamin C like doesn't smell good. I don't really mind it that much, but I do notice the Drunk Elephant one, like the bad smell really is powerful, and it really like lingers even like after I've applied all my other skincare products. So it's just not as pleasant. So I tried this one out, and it does still like not smell amazing, but I feel like once I apply it to my face, the smell like doesn't linger at all, so it's really not bad. Vitamin C, from what I understand, is like an unstable ingredient, so once it's like exposed to the air or whatever, it can like go bad and like not work right. I really sound like an expert. This particular serum is good because it's not pure vitamin C. It's 20% CTHD absorbate. I don't exactly know what that means, but basically it's like a version of vitamin C that is more stable. Also 20% is like a pretty high percentage to have that ingredient in a serum. So I've really been liking this. I feel like it works really, really well. Vitamin C is an ingredient that helps your skin produce more collagen on its own, so it's really good for anti-aging and just keeping your skin looking really youthful and prevent wrinkles and stuff in the long run. And I also feel like vitamin C helps make my skin really, really glowy. So yeah, I just apply 1 pump of this all over my face and my neck. This is the best vitamin C serum that I have tried out, and I have tried out quite a few, so highly recommend this if you're looking for a good vitamin C serum. After serum, I go in with my moisturizer. This is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. I feel like this is a classic moisturizer. Like I said, I feel like my skin's been kind of just normal lately, but even in the winter months when it's more on the dry side, this has really like saved my skin. And I know First Aid Beauty is kind of known for making products for people with sensitive skin and people that get like eczema and stuff like that, so it's really just safe for all skin types, and I love this moisturizer. I highly recommend. I also love the price point of it because it's $38, I think, and you get 6 ounces. This is literally huge. I feel like this is just a great moisturizer for all skin types. Highly recommend. And then the last product in my morning skincare routine is another First Aid Beauty product. This is my SPF. This is the most important product, you guys. You have to be using SPF. This is their weightless liquid mineral sunscreen with zinc oxide. It's SPF 30. I've talked about this in multiple videos by now, but basically you need to be wearing an SPF even on cloudy days, even when you feel like you're not really going to be outside much. SPF is the key to anti-aging. I'm pretty sure the sun accounts for like 90% of aging or something like that. Might have made that up. So SPF is so important, and I love this one because it's super lightweight. It doesn't feel like a sunscreen. It doesn't smell like a sunscreen. It just goes on and basically sinks right into your skin, and it doesn't feel like I have anything on. That's why I've been loving this one. So those 4 products are my whole morning skincare routine. Like I said, it's really short and sweet. So let's go ahead and get into my nighttime skincare routine. Nighttime skincare, like I said, it's a little more complex. I usually have like more time at night, obviously, than I do in the mornings. So I like to just kind of have my whole skincare routine be like my self-care time. So the first step, obviously, if I'm wearing makeup, I have to take that off. So this is my go-to makeup removal combo, but obviously if I'm not wearing makeup that day, I just skip this step entirely. We don't use makeup wipes anymore. Those are in the past. Gotta get rid of those. Makeup wipes like pull out your skin and they're just not good. I do like a whole double cleansing system. It's kind of like a triple cleansing system, honestly, because I've like these 2 products and then my cleanser. But basically I use this to remove my eye makeup and this to remove my face makeup. So first is the simple micellar water. Micellar waters are amazing. They take off your makeup so easily. So I just pour some of this on my reusable cotton rounds that I've talked about a million times, and just kind of gently rub my eyes to remove any mascara, remove my brows. I feel like my cleansing oil that I use, you can like use that on your eyes obviously, but I feel like it doesn't get all the mascara off. So that's why I use the micellar water first, because I just kind of get as much of the eye makeup off with this as I can. Then once my eye makeup is removed, I take my Clinique Take the Day Off cleansing oil, and I'll use like 1 or 2 pumps of this. And you use this on dry hands, so you don't have to wet your face before anything. You just take this on your dry hands and just rub it all over your entire face and down your neck and on your eyes, everywhere, and it just breaks down all of the makeup so easily. I basically just like rub that gently in circles until all the makeup is broken down, and then I just rinse it off with water. Yeah, this combo works really well for removing all my makeup. And then before I even dry off my face after using those products, I'll just go straight in with my face cleanser. So I just use the same First Aid Beauty cleanser that I used in the morning. Like I said, this is really simple, does the job. So I'll just go right in with a little bit of this to wash my face. It's really important after you remove your makeup to also cleanse your face, because the makeup removing products are just taking off your makeup. They're not actually cleaning your skin and cleaning in your pores. So that's why the whole like double cleansing system really works, because you're basically step 1 removing the makeup, and then step 2 actually cleaning your skin underneath the makeup. Yeah, it's super important to cleanse your face after you use whatever makeup removal products that you use. So after my makeup is removed, I go in with my exfoliating products if I'm doing that night. I think I was over exfoliating my skin a little bit. Some of you guys told me I probably was, and like over exfoliating can mess up your like moisture barrier of your skin. So I've like cut back a little bit. So basically I switch between these two products. Clearly I watch Hiram's videos. First is the Youth to the People Kombucha 11% AHA exfoliation power toner. So this I now use like 2 to 3 times a week. So I try to keep to like a schedule. So I'll basically use this on like Wednesday and Friday. And then I've been using the Ordinary AHA and BHA peeling solution once a week. So I'll try to use this on Sundays. Basically, I'm not going to go too in depth because I already talked about these in my last favorites video. But both of these are AHA exfoliating products. But this one is basically like a more gentle version. And then this one's a more intense version. This one, like I said, has 11% AHA in it. So this is just like a toner. So you pour some of this on your reusable cotton rounds, and then you just work that all over your skin, and it's just gonna give you a really nice gentle exfoliation. I feel like exfoliating is the key to clear skin. It's the key to smooth skin. It's the key to glowing skin. Like, exfoliating is so important because you have to just think about like all the stuff that builds up on your skin. Like, even if you're cleansing and moisturizing and everything, like stuff just builds up, and there's like dead skin that builds up that needs to be removed. So exfoliating on a regular basis is really, really important. It's just like giving your skin like a fresh layer of skin, basically. So yeah, AHA is an amazing chemical exfoliant. So this is basically like a gentle version of that. And then the Ordinary one is 30% AHA, and then it's also 2% BHA. So this is really, really powerful. This is more of like a mask situation. So you put this all over your face, leave it on for about 10 minutes, and then wash it off. They basically do the same thing. I just like both of them, so I just switch between them. I would honestly just recommend getting one of these. You really don't need both. So it's just like a matter of if you want a more gentle one that you use more often, or like a mask, more intense one that you use like once or twice a week. But yeah, these have been my absolute favorite exfoliating products lately. Highly recommend either of these. So after I go in with whatever exfoliation situation that I'm using for that night, or if I'll just not exfoliate that night, I'll go straight in with this. And this is my favorite night serum ever. This product I think I've been using the longest out of this whole routine. This is the Drunk Elephant TLC Framboos Glycolic Night Serum. This also has AHA in it, which I'm realizing this has 12% AHA. So am I like over AHAing? Like, I feel like I have a lot of products that have AHA in it, but I don't feel like my skin is like overly exfoliated. So I don't know, let me know if that's like bad, because this one feels like a very different experience than like the exfoliating stuff. This is like an overnight like kind of repairing serum. So this basically like resurfaces your skin, makes it so smooth, so glowy. This serum is incredible. I just feel like it does magic to my skin overnight. So I put 1 pump of this on at night, all over my face and down my neck, and this has been my favorite night serum for so long. Then after serum, I go back in with moisturizer, and I just use the same First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream at night. Once again, this just moisturizes my skin, makes it feel super hydrated, and it's just a really simple go-to moisturizer. So I put this all over my face and neck, and I really use like a lot of this. Like I love to just apply like a thick layer of moisturizer at night. Next up, another First Aid Beauty product. This is the retinol eye cream. So I used to be like obsessed with eye creams, and I had to use one morning and night, but lately I just feel like it's not like the most necessary thing in the world, but I still like to apply one at night. So retinol is another amazing skincare ingredient. It's basically the purest form of vitamin A, I believe. Retinol is another product that helps your skin produce collagen, and it helps with like skin cell turnover. So it's just really, really good for anti-aging. So I love that for under the eye, because obviously like your under eye area is a super delicate area, and it's really prone to like wrinkles and crow's feet and stuff. So I always love using a good anti-aging eye cream. I just apply a little bit of this underneath my eyes and gently rub it in with your ring finger. Yeah, I feel like this is just a really, really nice eye cream. Okay, I have two more products to talk about, and these are both kind of just like optional products. First is an oil. I used to be obsessed with skin oils, especially when my skin was more dry. I just felt like that was the only thing that could help it like be moisturized, but I don't know, I feel like they just haven't really been doing much for me lately. But sometimes if I want to just like be bougie and add an extra step to my skincare routine, I'll go in with this at the end. This is the Drunk Elephant Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil. I just apply a few drops of this and like press it onto my skin, and I really just feel like this helps my skin be really glowy. If I'm just in the mood for like that extra glow, I'll apply this, and it's kind of just like a nice luxurious extra step at the end of my skincare routine. And I do feel like when I wake up in the morning after using this, it does make my skin really, really glowy. If you're into face oils, I really, really like this one. And then the last product I just wanted to shout out, this is my favorite spot treatment for acne. This is the Mario Badescu drying lotion. I'm sure you've seen or heard about this. You just want to dip a Q-tip into the bottom of this and pick up some of this like pink stuff, and then apply it directly onto any pimples that you have, and it'll dry them up overnight. This stuff is amazing. When I filmed me doing my nighttime skincare routine, I didn't show this because I didn't have any like active breakouts, but I'm definitely gonna put some of this on this little nose pimple, and it's gonna dry it up. And yeah, this is the best spot treatment I've ever tried. Almost forgot, I do have one more product. This isn't really like skincare, but at the end, every single night of my routine, I apply the Laneige sleeping mask on my lips. You guys already know how amazing this is. This is the best lip balm. I haven't had chapped lips ever since I bought this. It's incredible. I go through this so quickly. So yeah, just had to shout that out because you can't forget about your lips. Okay guys, so that is it for my skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Obviously, I love skincare. I love trying out new skincare products. So I'm sure I'll have new recommendations for you guys soon, but this is what I've been using for a while now, and I feel like it's really done wonders for my skin. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and let me know if you try out any of these products from today's video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm sticking to a more consistent posting schedule right now. I used to just post videos like whenever they were ready, but now I'm gonna start posting videos every Wednesday and Friday. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of those videos. And also follow me on Instagram to keep up with more of my day-to-day life on there. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in another new video very soon. Bye.